Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I am Kukulungalang with the evening news. The headlines. Nagaland Governor and Chief Minister extends Teachers' Day greetings. Chief Minister Neiphiu inaugurates staff housing quarters and community center of Nagaland Governor at New Delhi. Advisor for Power Tovihoto Ayemi inaugurates parkway at Dimapur, flags off bike rally on cleanliness awareness. And Power Grid Corporation of India Limited lays foundation stone for first ever electric vehicle charging station in Meghalaya. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline numbers 1800-345-0019. And now, the news. Nagaland Governor and Chief Minister have extended Teachers' Day greetings. In a message, Governor R.N. Ravi expressed gratitude to all the teachers, especially of the state, who are serving the people and the nation with their extraordinary services. Ravi said they are constantly shaping the young and dynamic minds of our future generations, endowing them with intellectual heft and help imbibing needed ethical values. Governor Ravi further urged upon the teachers to rededicate themselves with renewed resolve to the service of the nation. Extending greetings to the teaching community, Chief Minister Neiphiu said a teacher's influence is forever imprinted in every student, and it manifests itself throughout their life. He also congratulated all the recipients of the Teachers' Awards across the state. Chief Minister Rio hoped that the teachers become an inspiration to their peers and continue their noble deeds in molding successful and responsible citizens and leaders of tomorrow. Meanwhile, the Naga Student Federation, extending greetings on Teachers' Day, expressed immense gratitude to the teaching fraternity for having shown exemplary resilience during the COVID-19 pandemic. Chief Minister Neiphiu inaugurated the staff housing quarters and community center of Nagaland government at New Delhi today. In a tweet, Rio expressed hope that the facility will cater the needs of the people of the state. Chief Minister Rio congratulated those responsible for realization of the facility and urged everyone to take good care of the facilities provided. Advisor for Power, Tovihoto Ayemi, inaugurated the parkway today near Dimapur Overbridge and flagged off the bike rally on cleanliness awareness. In a tweet, the advisor congratulated the Dimapur Municipal Corporation and Team Better Dimapur for the successful completion of the parkway and contributing in making Dimapur a clean city. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, Power Grid, has laid the foundation stone for the first ever electric vehicle charging station, EVCS, in the state of Meghalaya at its office complex yesterday at La Palang in Shillong. The EVCS are being developed under Fast Adoption and Manufacturing of Hybrid and Electric Vehicles FAME India Scheme Phase 2. Under this scheme, Power Grid will be developing 11 EVCS in Shillong. Out of the 11 locations, Memorandum of Understanding has been signed for 4 locations, which include Power Grid Office Complex at La Palang MTC Warehouse at Demtring, MTC Parking Lot at Police Bazaar, and Polo Parking Lot at Polo. Each station will have 66 charging points. This news comes to you from All India Radio Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu today called upon the people to fight against divisive forces that seek to divide society on lines of religion, region, language, caste, creed, or color. He said that in the 75th year of our independence, every Indian must take a pledge to further strengthen unity and harmony in our hugely diverse society. Addressing the students and teachers of Sri Aurobindo International School, Hyderabad, after inaugurating the photo exhibition on the life of Sri Aurobindo, the Vice President emphasized that bridging all divisions was necessary for the greatness of India's future. Highlighting the positive aspects of religion, he said that if everyone follows one religion in true spirit, there will not be any religious conflict. Vice President Naidu termed spirituality as the master key of India's great culture and called for rediscovering its greatness by reliving it in our daily life. Ayush Ministry has launched a campaign, Ayush Aapke Dwar, from more than 45 locations across the country. The campaign aims to distribute medicinal plant saplings to 75 lakh households in 1 year. Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal launched Ayush Aapke Dwar campaign from Mumbai by distributing medicinal plant saplings to the citizens. Minister of State for Ayush, Dr. Mahendra Munjapara, launched a campaign from Ayush Bhavan in New Delhi by distributing medicinal plants to the staff. On this occasion, Dr. Munjapara appealed to adopt medicinal plants and take care of this as a part of their family. National Medicinal Plants Board and Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science, Ministry of Ayush, distributed medicinal saplings and Ayurvedic medicines to the public. The 41 Assam Rifles Kifire organized a felicitation program today for the students selected to study at Sainik School Punglwa for the year 2021-22. Deputy Commissioner Kifire, T. Wati Iyer, urged the students to study hard as unemployment problems are on the rise. He encouraged the students to join Sainik schools as they get many privileges, especially in the armed forces. The objective of the school is for all-round development of the students, mentally and physically. Iyer urged the selected students to become renowned officers and uplift the society in the days to come. He also appreciated the Assam Rifles Battalion for organizing the felicitation program for the students. Commander of 41 Assam Rifles thanked the parents, teachers, and the principal of the school for their contribution and efforts made towards the selected students. Nagaland State Legal Services Authority (NSLSA), under the aegis of Nagaland Legal Services Authority, will be conducting the third quarterly National Lok Adalat People's Courts, sitting in all district headquarters on September 10th. This is the third quarterly National Lok Adalat to be held in 2021-22. A total of 11 Lok Adalat benches at district court premises will be set up by the District Legal Services Authority (DLSAs). Persons having disputes or cases, pre-litigation and pending, on civil, matrimonial, MACT and petty offence cases may come forward on the day or submit their disputes at DLSA's front offices, District Court Building and NSLSA Member Secretary Office, DC Office Compound, or contact at 0370-2290-153 or email at nslsa.nagaland@gov.in. The disposal data of each DLSAs will be further uploaded on the web portal of the state authority at nslsa.nagaland.gov.in. Nagaland today reported 58 fresh cases of COVID-19, taking the total tally to 30,302. Of the cases reported, 31 were detected from Dimapur, 7 each in Kohima and Pek, 5 each in Wokha and Peren, 2 cases in Kifire, and 1 case from Mokokchung. With the recovery of 58 patients, the total number of recovered cases has gone up to 28,018. Presently, the state's active caseload stands at 751. And now to end the news, here are the headlines once again. Nagaland Governor and Chief Minister extends Teachers' Day greetings. Chief Minister Neiphiu inaugurates Staff Housing Quarters and Community Centre of Nagaland Government at New Delhi. Advisor for Power, Tovihoto Ayemi, inaugurates Parkway at Dimapur, flags off bike rally on cleanliness awareness, and Power Grid Corporation of India Limited lays foundation stone for first ever electric vehicle charging station in Meghalaya. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Have a pleasant night.